Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make soup au pistou. It's a nice little French type soup and really easy to make. Bit of olive oil into a saucepan, right, just like that, and I've got around about one brown onion which I've finely diced. That can just go straight in, and we're just going to cook that off until the onions go a little bit translucent. It's going to take about 3-4 minutes tops. Alright, so just keep sweating those down. I'm going to add in a large carrot which I've also finely diced. That can go in and start cooking off really nice and easy. And we're also going to add in around about 2, maybe 3 cloves of garlic. I'll leave that up to you how much garlic you want in there, and that is freshly diced garlic. I'm going to add in 2 medium-sized potatoes which I've again finely cut up. Right, they can go straight in. We're also going to add in around about 3 cups in total of chicken stock. I'm just going to use a pre-prepared one there, and if you've got your own chicken stock at home, use that. Believe me, it will always taste better. I didn't have any. I'm going to add in around about 1/3 of a cup of risotto. That can go straight in at this point, and as you can see, everything's just coming up to the heat nice and simply. Alright, and I'm also going to add in a 400-gram can of white beans. I'm actually using cannellini beans. You could use butter beans if you want. If you can find actual white beans, well, use those. Okay, we're just going to cook that off for a little while. It's not going to take very long at all, maybe about an hour. Okay, we can now put that straight into our bowl. A very quick and simple French dish this one is, and people are usually scared of cooking French food. They think it's complicated. Little dash of lemon juice that can go straight in, and the only thing left to do is a little bit of basil pesto on the side, and you just add as much or little of that as you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's a quick one, I know, but it's really simple and tastes great. Hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends. We're trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. If you want to learn how to make a French dish and make it really simply, just like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my soup au pistou, and I will catch you next time. Bye.